Teach your mom to meditate. I've been meditating for the past couple years or so, and it's made a huge difference in my life. It's something I've always wanted to share with my mom, and this week feels like the absolute right week to do it. So we're gonna give her a shout and break it all down for her. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Aaron.
Hey, so today I want to talk to you about meditation and give you the basics of how to meditate, why we meditate, and what's in it for you. The first thing I want to talk about, what is meditation, is basically just taking time for yourself, taking a step back, kind of holding back the floodgates, and just creating space for yourself. So the why we meditate is it actually reduces anxiety, gives you a bit more space, and actually while it's reducing this anxiety, it's giving you a little bit more room for memory and kind of like reconfiguring your brain to do all these amazing things that maybe you're too stressed out to do sometimes, or maybe, you know, things are moving in a couple different directions, and it just kind of brings you back to the center and focuses you in. And the how of meditation is actually really easy. All you have to do is sit comfortably and sit in a way where it makes it easy to breathe. So just sit upright and just easy breathing. You don't have to be in an ashram. You don't need to be sitting on some funky pillow or lying down or whatever. The best part about meditation is you can kind of do it anywhere. The easiest way for me to tell you how to meditate is to breathe. Breathing for me is usually a 6-second count, breathing in, and then I hold it for 2 seconds, and then I breathe out for 6 seconds. So one of the meditations that I think is really good for us to work through is this one called loving kindness. And there are a couple different versions of this that you can find on the internet. But basically what the meditation is for you to think of someone who is really important to you, someone that you love. So maybe your grandson, for example. And I want you to just hold them in your mind. You can close your eyes if you want, and just focus on your breathing, and then keep them in the center of your mind. And then think about them, and you want to wish them peace. And then you want to wish them happiness. You want to wish them free from harm. And you just kind of carry that feeling of, you know, it feels great to wish your grandson that feeling, and you want to carry that feeling after your meditation into the world and be able to share that with everyone. It's a good way for me to set my mind in the day so that when I go out into the world, you know, I'm willing to spread love, and I'm ready to go, as opposed to kind of on the attack with everybody. The last thing, there's a couple different apps that you can get. So if you wanted to have someone guide you through the whole meditation practice, there's the Waking Up app, there's the Headspace app, there's the Calm app. You just go to that little blue A that's on your phone, the app store, and you hit that, and you can just type in meditation, and those are usually like the top 3 that pop up. And they all have free trials. You can try them out and see if maybe having somebody talk you through it is a good way to kind of get the ball rolling. That's pretty much it. That's how to meditate.
Sounds easy enough. I like the idea of thinking of my grandchildren and meditating, thinking about them and being happy and having a wonderful day, and that makes me happy. I could see how this could be very useful, and how, especially during this time, be something I'd like to try to do.
Well, thanks, Mom, and happy meditating.
Thank you. And happy meditating to you too, sweetheart.
Mom has all the information she needs to start meditating. I'll be following up throughout the week to kind of help guide her along, but yeah, I think it went pretty well. That's about it. If you like what we're doing here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll keep making these kind of videos.